Hello guys, ask Anastasia again, and it's my second video for today. I just want to show you what you're getting when you're getting a good deal and let you decide if you want to be in this business even. So this house is from our favorite wholesaler, Paul, and you can see houses next to it. It's really nice neighborhood, very quiet street. You don't see any trash outside, so I would say we're gonna be buying the worst house on the block, which is usually make great investments. So we're gonna go around the house, and you can see that this is kind of solid. Just all this wood probably need to be painted, porch need to be painted. Obviously all grass to make a curb appearance nice. But when you're going inside, first what you can smell, it's terrible smell of pee, and it looks like they have animals here. I don't know what's happened to the tenants, they are out, but you can see how carpet looks, and it's all soaked in urine, so smell is not good. This is first room, this is second room. We have some problem with the ceiling, probably roof need replacement, not sure. And as I told you, it was animal living here. You can see windows also probably need to be replaced. This is kitchen. I don't know who was living here, but I just cannot imagine people living this way, but they obviously did. Look at the floors. And this is kitchen. That's how it look. And stove, which nobody used for a long time, I would say. And here is basement, I believe. I will see if I can go there. Probably not, sorry. But I'm gonna show you outside. It has a ramp here, which is nice addition, but it has a lot of things. So just clean out, we are talking 2,000–3,000. Okay. So, and this house has 2 bedrooms. Again, this terribly smelling carpet. Oh, every time when I'm going to the house like this, and I know that we probably gonna buy this one, but I'm always in shock, like why do we want to get involved in this? Okay, another bathroom on the second floor. Floors are gone, and I'm not gonna show you everything, but it's look pretty bad. Yeah, this is toilet. This is ceiling, mold everywhere. I don't know if they ever washed this bathtub. Obviously they were taking showers. And this is second room. Some family pictures. Yeah, just need somebody to clean out all this. It's very small size rooms, 2 rooms. Okay, I'm not sure if you're gonna buy it or not. Just want to show it to you. So when people are saying they got a great deal, it doesn't mean that they got a house that it's pretty, it smells good, you know, and ready to go. It's usually condition like this, and then you turn around and make it nice home again. So what do you guys think? It's on the market for $20,000. I just show you different house for 50, so that's why it's a good deal. Okay, leave me a comment below if you want to know the address, and let me know, would you buy this one or not? 20 grand.